Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Suman's SJ classes. Today we are going to simplify this equation given here. We are going to do it in two different ways. One is when we are asked to simplify tan square theta plus 1. And the second is when we are asked to prove that tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. So we are going to see how to move forward with this. So first of all, we all know that sine square theta, this is a trigonometric function, we know about this. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now I am going to divide left hand side as well as right hand side by cos square theta. Cos square theta. Let's see. Sine square theta by cos square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta is equals to 1 by cos square theta. So what is sine square theta by cos square theta? Sine square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta. Cos square theta divided by cos square theta is equals to 1. And what is 1 by cos square theta? It is equals to secant square theta. So we can say that we have in a way simplified tan square theta plus 1 and we got our answer. And we can also say that we have proved that tan square theta plus 1 is equals to this side. I hope you all understood this equation, and for such further trigonometric functions, subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.